day everyone! Ito guys, may dumating naman akong delivery. Ang dumating ay dalawang Pocari na 500 and 355 ml and dalawang cotton buds. Kumuha akong dalawa at saka dalawang pack na Dorco shaver. At yung isang dosenang scotch tape at saka tatlong can na mushroom cuts. So yan po ang dumating. And another one is yung mga laundry and dishwashing, yan, and shampoo, conditioner, Sondrox, yan ang dumating sa akin delivery. May keratin na gold and yellow and color powder and champion fabric and surf fabric pink and red and champion powder 100 grams and Sondrox na 500 ml and 1 liter saka yung 355 ml. So yun lang guys, maraming salamat sa inyo pagtutok sa aking munting channel. Thank you very much. Bye!